Check this out. I'm on my way to Stewart Lake. And look at this. Wow. Awesome day. Really awesome day.